And once again, welcome back. So in this video, Lee, what is it that you're wanting to accomplish? Multiple tiling once again? Multiple
Y-
patches?
Yeah, we need more than a single terrain patch. I mean, the world is not made up of a single patch.
Well, it could
At
be. Just
least, well, ours isn't.
correct.
But, it'd be kind of, really cool if I could do it that way. But all of our tests have proven otherwise that is not a possibility.
Right.
So let me go ahead and close this again. I don't need the reference. So let's get started with getting some multiple patches in. We'll start off simply, and then we'll come back and revisit it a couple times as we make our method for creating the patches a little bit more robust each time around. So what I want to do is towards the end here, I want to create a private method. It's going to return void, and we're going to call it create initial terrain. What is this going to do? I'm guessing it's going to create our initial terrain. And it's going to do it by using a set of nested for loops. Well, apparently, there we go. A little lag. So going, please, don't make me type that. All right, so what do we want to use? Well, we've got our patch count. I want to adjust the name of this a little bit because we're not really going to be doing patch count per se that we had before, because our patches, now that we've got our patch centered around our pivot and our pivot is at 0, I want to be able to build our world of patches out from that center. So what I want to be able to do is define how many patches on each side of my center patch out do I want to go.
Okay.
So I'm going to rename this from patch count to tile side count. Yeah, terrible name, but and we'll start off with 1. So what we're going to do is, instead of starting off at 0, we're going to start off at negative tile side count, and we're going to count up to positive tile side count. So this is going to start our count at -1, go through 0, and then end at a positive 0. Or, sorry, positive 1. But to make that happen, I have to change it from less than to less than and equal to.
Hmm.
That will get us what we need. So, and because this needs to be nested, I'm going to copy that line, paste it again, and change this to be Z. And I'm going to take this from our start. I'm going to get rid of it there, and I'm going to paste it down here. Make a couple of changes so that it tracks our X and Z locations in the vector for the creation. And we need to call it, otherwise it won't do anything. And it's
This is
not
true.
like I've been known to make that mistake either. So now we're going to, when I initially start, create our initial patch. It's going to go through our nested for loops and create one terrain patch for each time through. And if everything works right, we should get a grid of 3 by 3 patches. That's a perfect world and everything works fine. Shall we try it? See what happens?
Sure. Okay. Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Dun dun dunk dunk
All
dunk
right. So if we select on anything,
dunk dunk.
yep, looks like we got 9 patches.
You
Sweet.
do.
All right.
And
So that's
that's
good.
000.
Yep. And then it should be
Yep.
144.
144. Negative 144 by 144. 144 by 144. Yeah, beautiful.
Cool.
All right.
So we've got all that working. Let's jump back over to our train patch and go into our code. So we're getting our positions. So this is all being created. Our patches are spaced out correctly. And that's pretty much all I wanted to show in this video.
I think you're surprised like me that it just all worked in 5 minutes.
Yeah, I am. It's like going, that was kind of simple. It's like going, good, it's all done and working.
Yeah, well, all right, cool. Well, nice, easy, quick video. And in the next one, well, we'll talk about what we're going to do in the next one in just a moment. So that's going to wrap up this video. Thanks a lot.